This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
It's leaking right out of the top of this baby. And the thing's pretty high up off the ground, so here's propane. I'm gonna shut off there, which is good. It's 3/4. It is propane. I know he said that. Anyway, when I got to 50 gallon, that's what's going in there. Here's the water. Alright guys, I got the new tank in there. That spray came down, I just had to change that nipple. What I did on the water, I just came up with females. I put my vacuum breaker up there. I reused that female there, put a couple of couplings, a slip and a repair, a regular coupling and a repair coupling. And I just came up with new PVC. Schedule 80 cleaner. Up and out. That was all still, that's existing, what's going through the wall. I just tied this up with some wire ties. Put into the plug there, and she's good to go. Got it running. Heating up the hot water. It's up 18 inches because it's in a garage. Hey, Miss Molly, my buddy. That's my buddy. Oh, yeah, you my buddy. All right, come on, let's go in the house. Come on. Come on in. Come on. You want to go in the house where it's warm? Oh, I know you do. Oh, yeah, let's see the tail wag. Oh, let's see the tail wag. Come on. You going to do the dance? Are you going to do the dance? Miss Molly, you gonna do the dance? Come on, do the dance. No? No dancing for today? No?